this video, we're gonna let me explain like the meaning of the root ple, and in the meantime, like while I'm gonna be explaining it to you, enjoy the video because we are on the western coast of the United States of America, and like I'm enjoying the view a lot. And the first word on my board is plenty. Plenty of space, or plethora space. It means like a lot. So ple or PLE means like many. Next, like complete. Again, as you see, like this root PLE is there, like to complete an exercise or to complete a project. It means like to finalize, to finish it. Plenary. So plenary, it means like including all kinds of people, like including like all members of the group. Like a plenary meeting, it means that's like the meeting of the whole group. And then like plenary power, it means that some kind of like executive exercises the whole power, like the full power of the group, over the group, sorry, yeah. Complementary, yeah, we are at the ocean, by the way. Complementary, it means like additional, versus complementary. So if you see complementary, it means like if you like look up to someone, you throw some like complimentary comments. Two more words and we're gonna go and watch the ocean. So to deplete, D means negative, and replete, re means either back or again. So depletion, it means like total extinction, for example, depletion of ozone layer. It means that like very bad condition, that it's like it's in big trouble. But replete, it means like to replicate, or again like replenish. It means like to fill something, like to replete, like if you fill in some gas into your car, so it means that you repleted the gas. So all in all, those are the samples of words that use this, the word the root ple, which comes from Latin, and there are so many words derived from it. And thank you for watching, guys, and we are off to the ocean. Cheers.